Hi there, this is Jaime Rojas with Rojas Communications Group. I get this asked every year, should I or shouldn't I talk about politics at Thanksgiving dinner? Well, your first choice is don't. But since you're watching this video, you're probably like me, probably will talk about politics, especially this juicy last election. So, here are 4 items that I recommend you following. Number 1 is respect. Respect your family and friends, their thoughts and ideas, because you want the same for yourself as well. Respect is the bottom line foundation of having and starting these conversations from beginning to end. Number 2 is listen. Listen to what other people have to say. All of us come from different backgrounds, experiences, skill sets, and education, and just listen. And again, common courtesy. Third is do a little homework. Do a little fact-finding, understand how to carry your thoughts and ideas. Very simple. If you can do price comparison for your chonies, you can probably do the same thing for facts about the Constitution, Bill of Rights, the process of the election cycle, both local, state, and federal. All very simple things. And if you want to, also buy my book online on the basis of the Constitution and Bill of Rights are included in the book. It's free and you only pay for shipping and handling. Check us up on our website on that. And lastly, and most importantly, drink responsibly. I have here some of our local brewers from Los Angeles, Frogtown Brewery, Kinky Blonde. Good recommendation. Down south, my brothers in San Diego, Ixteca, another great choice of craft beers. And definitely not lastly, for our friends who love wine just like myself, a little Ceja Vineyards from Napa Valley, one of the best boutique wineries in the country, if not the world. Serve yourself a little, watch what you drink, and that's all it takes. From us to you, happy Thanksgiving. Respect, listen, present, and drink responsibly. Take care, my friends, and be safe.